Here we go. Keep massaging. Look. Keep massage. Keep massage. Put in your underarm mostly because that's how the wrinkles coming out there. Look. Mostly you have a wrinkle under your eyes. So that is, you have to protect all the time. With the skincare. Yeah. Leave it there. And then when you smile, like too much wrinkle in there. So leave it there. And then there. Here. And then your forehead. Like that. There. Yeah. So I put this cream mostly in wrinkly. Well, we want to be young, isn't it?